Now's the time to buy, and now's the time to save.
Make a great choice today with the 2018 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.